In today's video, we'll see how a small business owner can use artificial intelligence to create professional marketing materials in minutes without needing graphic design experience. Imagine you've just prepared a delicious meal and want to promote it online. Traditionally, you would need a designer, copywriter, and marketing expert to create an attractive advertisement. Here, millions of people are already using AI to work faster, earn more, and learn better. If you're not using it yet, you are being left behind, but not for long. Most beginners think AI is complicated or don't know where to start. Watch this, and I'll be back.
Welcome to this explainer. So if you're a total newcomer to the tech world, take a deep breath, you're in exactly the right place. Today is day one of an incredible journey drawn straight from the Fecund Circle 30-day AI masterclass. We're going to strip away the complex jargon, all those confusing headlines, and definitely the sci-fi movies, just to look clearly at what this technology actually is, and more importantly, what it can do for you right now.
Picture this for a second. Think about those nights you've been up super late, staring at a blank screen, trying to figure out a problem, or just wishing you had an extra set of hands. What if you had a personal assistant who was quite literally always awake? An assistant who never complains about the workload, helps you learn anything in seconds, and, doesn't drink all the office coffee. That is honestly the simplest, most accurate analogy for what we're talking about today. We aren't talking about robots taking over the world. We're talking about a tireless digital assistant built entirely to support you.
All right, Section 1, meet your new assistant.
Okay, let's really dive into this. Artificial intelligence, or AI, it isn't about crazy equations, intimidating machine learning terminology, or needing to know how to code. It's simply a computer system that can think, learn, and help you knock out everyday tasks. It's designed to understand what you want in plain, everyday language, and then it processes that information to give you exactly what you need. Think of it as a digital brain that just learns how to be incredibly helpful to you.
Now, to actually use this digital brain, we need a specific tool. Enter ChatGPT. This is one of the most powerful and totally free AI tools in the world right now. You don't need a massive tech budget or a computer science degree to use it. It is an incredibly accessible, approachable interface that brings the massive power of AI right to your laptop or your smartphone. It really is the perfect starting point for our journey.
Moving on to Section 2, mastering everyday tasks instantly.
This right here is where the magic happens. You can just ask this assistant to draft your professional emails or even build out a plan for your business. Need to know something? It can research absolutely any topic and help you learn anything you desire. It translates languages too, instantly turning, say, an English legal contract into flawless Spanish. And if you're a creator or a business owner, it can draft entire blogs, write stories, generate vibrant images, or whip up business flyers and engaging social media posts for your next product launch. And the craziest part? It literally does all of this in seconds.
Section 3, the live ChatGPT demo.
Let's actually watch this work.
The first example is writing prompt to create a professional email. See the result here?
We're providing ChatGPT with a photo of homemade jollof rice and a simple request. We include the business name, location, contact details, and ask ChatGPT to create a professional flyer prompt that can be used with an AI image generation tool. Notice how additional details are added, including delivery information, operating hours, pricing. This example shows how entrepreneurs, restaurants, small business owners save time and reduce costs. Let's totally demystify how you do this. Step 1, you just open ChatGPT. Step 2, you type a simple prompt, which, by the way, is just a fancy tech word for a plain English request. And Step 3, you get your results in seconds. There is absolutely nothing intimidating about this flow. Honestly, it's as easy as sending a text message to a really knowledgeable friend.
So watch this. We're simply typing this exact sentence into ChatGPT. Write me a professional email asking for a job interview. That's it. No complicated code. Just a super clear, direct request for a task that usually causes a ton of anxiety and takes careful drafting.
The second you hit enter, the system goes to work. Right before your eyes, a perfectly structured, highly professional email just appears. 10 seconds. That entire process, from a totally blank page to a finished, ready-to-send professional email, happened in under 10 seconds.
And this brilliantly illustrates the massive shift we're experiencing right now. The old way of doing things, staring at the screen, writing a draft, deleting it, second-guessing your tone, proofreading the whole thing, that used to take, 30 minutes? The new way? Under 10 seconds. You aren't just getting an email out of this, you're literally getting 29 minutes and 50 seconds of your life back.
Which brings us to Section 4, Advancing Career and Business.
When you harness this digital assistant, you instantly save time, which, let's face it, is your absolute most valuable asset. As an employee, you can use that saved time to focus on high-level strategy to really grow your professional career. As an entrepreneur, you can completely streamline your small business's daily operations. Instead of getting bogged down handling routine customer service inquiries or writing out those weekly newsletters, you just let the AI handle the repetitive stuff. This frees you up to create brand new opportunities that you simply didn't have the bandwidth to pursue before.
Section 5, Your 30-Day AI Journey.
Now, if seeing all this massive potential feels just a little bit overwhelming right now, let's lower the stakes. We are anchoring this entire experience to a 30-day learning journey. Over the course of 30 days, step by step, you're going to master these life-changing skills. You'll learn exactly how to use AI to build a business, advance your career, and take back your time. It is a commitment, yes, for sure, but it's a highly guided one.
To make sure you stay on track, you'll definitely want to join the community for our next explainer. Day 2 is going to cover something totally crucial: how to talk to AI properly to get better results every single time. Because just like communicating with a human assistant, there are specific techniques and phrasing that will unlock even better, far more accurate results. You really won't want to miss learning those techniques.
As we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with this really powerful thought from the source material, and this is only the beginning. You now know that you have access to this brilliant, free, tireless digital assistant that can translate languages, write content, and plan your business in literally a matter of seconds. The technology is here, and it is just waiting for your instructions. So I got to ask you, now that you have this incredible tool at your fingertips, what extraordinary thing are you going to create first?
Thank you.